Hello guys, look at this. What is it? Oh, this is a magic box. Right guys, look at this. Oh, so many balls inside. I think we have something inside. Yeah guys, let's go find something inside. Oh, I go down. Right. Oh, I wanna find something. Whoa, guys, look at this. This is a truck. Right, guys, this is a truck. Oh, white and blue truck. Oh, this truck. It's garbage truck. Right, guys. Whoa. Look at this, so beautiful. Right guys, let's go. Find more. Look at this, how many balls inside. I think I have one more truck. Whoa, look at this. Whoa, what is it? Car. Right guys. This is a car. Oh, I think it's dump truck. Guys, really, this is a dump truck. Whoa, very beautiful car. Whoa, orange and silver. Whoa, right, guys. Whoa, inside in dump truck we have sand. Right, let's go down. This sand. Whoa, guys. So nice truck. This is the dump truck. Whoa, let's go. Whoa, what is it? Whoa, it's not truck, right, guys? It's cup. Yes, guys, this is a cup. This is a lid. This is a cup. Together, this is a coffee cup, right, guys? This is a coffee cup. Whoa, inside is a coffee. Oh, so beautiful. Red coffee cup. Right, guys. Okay, let's go find more. Oh, whoa. How did you think we have something more? Yes, guys. Wow, look at this. Whoa, guys. This is a Triceratops. Oh, right, guys. Look at him. So very beautiful. Triceratops. Look at him head. Head is a red, right? Look at him skin. Skin is a yellow with black lines, right guys? Whoa, so beautiful dinosaur. Whoa. Okay, let's go find more. Whoa, guys. So nice. Let's go. Whoa, what is it? Whoa, this is a grand car. Yes, this is a grand truck. Whoa, very beautiful. It's yellow with a green. Whoa, so beautiful truck. Guys, so nice. Whoa, so beautiful. Look at this, he's spinning. Ooh, so nice. Grand truck. Ooh, let's go more. Look at these guys. I have only balls. So I think we don't have nothing inside. Let's go subscribe to my channel. Press button for make a like and see you next video. Bye.